Hi guys, welcome back to the Bhori space. We are here at a new space, our new setup, and today we'd like to walk you through how we curate our Bhori coffee table kits. The River Table Workshop has been a favorite with our customers, and once the pandemic hit and lockdown happened, the workshops really slowed down. We could not keep doing them every week or every month regularly. And so what we thought about was that this coffee table kit was essentially we were combining our famous river table workshop and the pieces of furniture that we make, the river tables that we make. And through this kit, we sort of wanted to send a small package to our customers at their doorstep, and we'd like to walk you through that process today. So today we'd like to walk you through what really goes into the kit, how we prepare the kit, all the different processes that go in, and what you would be getting at the end of the day at your doorstep. The starting point of any kit is deciding the size of the coffee table that we want to make. Once that is done, we go ahead with the selection of the wood slab. Once we have that done, then we go into the designing phase of the kit. So essentially what we do in the designing phase is we make a mold of the wooden putties, and we take the actual slab that we have decided, and then we place it around in the mold to really see what works best. Once we figure out what works best, we make our markings to mark the size of the slabs and where the cuts have to be made, and then we can move ahead to the next phase, that is the wood preparation phase of the kit. So once we move to the wood preparation, there are simple steps that we take, but those simple steps are really important, because without those steps you will not really be able to have a proper finished table at home. This wood preparation phase is very critical to ensure that the customer, that is you, get a very usable kit at home. So now I'd also like to talk a little about the wood that we select. What we try to use is Indian salvaged wood. We really think that's a sustainable way to go ahead. That is wood that is salvaged, it is easy to find, and also the wood that we use is seasoned. It is seasoned very well. We get a lot of questions that isme keeda aayega kya, or is this wood going to bend or warp? We get a lot of questions about this on Instagram. But because we use seasoned wood, generally these kind of problems do not happen. So we start our wood preparation firstly on the first machine, that will be our surface planer. And on that, what it really does, so any solid wood does not have any true one side that is level. It doesn't have a true reference on one side, and for woodworking that's very critical. You need that one size that is level. And in terms of if you think about pouring resin, once you place the wood on the surface, you do not want the wood to rock. If it is flat from underneath, it's very easy to pour your resin. You do not waste a lot of material, you save on resin actually, and you ensure that you have a nice flat level piece. The second step that we do is that we pass the same piece of wood through the thicknesser planer. And what that does now is that it calibrates the wood to the thickness that we want. So typically in our coffee table kits, we try to give a thickness of 45 to 50 mm for our wood. When you make your piece of furniture at home, once you use the kit at home, you will get a piece that is level, the same thickness on all four corners. So you're not going to have a slab that looks a little thin from one side and a little thick from the other side. That will not happen because it is properly calibrated. So once we are through this step, we take the piece back to the drawing board, that is our mock-up, our mold, and we just make sure that wherever we have marked for the cut, we make sure that we're not going wrong anywhere, we double check it, and once that's done, then we take it to our paddle saw and we cut off the edges, and then we have the slab to our size. Then we again place it in the mold, and the slab, the wood pieces are then prepared. Then we move on to the next step, that is assembling the mold. So it's a simple mold, it has a base, it has 4 putties on the side, but what we really thought it would be important is that we pre-drill the holes in the putties so that when you get the kit at home, it's very easy. You just need a screwdriver and a screw. You do not need a drill machine. So at every step of preparing this kit, we have 2 things that we always consider. Number 1 is that the kit must always look really good, because whatever you make at home, it should look really nice for you. You should be really satisfied with that. So the second thing that was important for us in this kit was that we did not want you to purchase any extra additional tools for the kit, and whatever small tools that you require are all included in the kit itself. So you don't really need to go out and look for any other tools. While making this kit, we have tried to ensure that you get a very good experience in creating your own piece of furniture, and for that we thought of a number of ways to give you an experience. We thought of a video, but in the end we created this very comprehensive guide, this book on how to make a coffee table kit, and essentially this has all the details that I spoke about, and it makes it very easy for you to make this kit at your convenience at home. When we started Bhoriali, we always wanted to start this do-it-yourself culture in India, and through this kit what we really want to do is that get people to be very hands-on with tools, make them very comfortable with tools, getting them to do things on their own. And with this kit, you'd really have a piece of furniture that you have made with your own hands in your space, at your house. And honestly asking me, when I see something in the house that I have made myself, it really makes me happy. And through this kit, we really want to do that with our customers. So as you can see in this video, each piece is prepped individually. These kits cannot be mass produced, and when made, they will all be unique in their own respect. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you make your own coffee table soon. The link to purchase this kit is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps us, guys. Bye. See you again.